Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video. What the fuck? I have no other option. We should go through this way. This video is gonna about the product that I've been speaking about for a long time. That's finally in my hand now, guys. Yeah, in this video we are gonna check our ND filter. So in this video I'll be speaking about the ND filter and the various ND filters and their outputs and at what time they can be used. I love traveling in this way, guys. I don't know why. This actually gives the peaceful feel of the village, you know. The nature and the roads. The roads may be damaged, but our mind while traveling here will never does. So yeah, the current ND filter I'm using in this clip is ND16. ND16, the number is basically what the amount of light the camera lets you to enter. Oh, I don't know why did I choose this way. It's okay, we'll go through the other way. Oh no. Wow, why is this happening everywhere, guys? Shit. See? The way where peace lives. The roads keep moving and I keep wandering. Yeah. The ND filter which I've used in this clip is ND16, guys. So there are three filters, which is ND16, ND8 and ND32. What these number means? It is the amount of light that your camera or lens takes in, or it is like a coolest for your lens, guys. When there is a harsh sunlight, you use a glass. We use a sunglasses and polarized glasses, and that's the difference between these number, guys. It's the amount of light that your camera lets in or it prevents. So the view, guys, the view, damn beautiful. This is the reason I chose this way, guys. I just love this way. Just encounter this beautiful view, and yeah, that is a lake over here. I'll just pull it over there, and the view from the lake is also amazing, guys. Wait a minute, I'll just pull it over there. The view through the human eye is not matchable to anything, guys. Okay, yeah, this is the view. One second. There are some bottles shattered here, ignore it. This is the view, guys. Just look. Full greenery, As long as you just see the lake, the trees and the birds or something. See, I'll add a clip of Draco in this video. So yeah, let's get back to the ride, guys. We are getting late. Can you see those flowers and the peaceful ride we're going through? This ride is really supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, guys. Sorry, I memorized this word. I've tried hard to memorize these words. See? And yeah, even this way, if you want to feel a good sunset ride, I would recommend this place, guys. I would definitely recommend this place. This is a blind turn. I've experienced a counter before over here, so I'm just being cautious. When I'm returning, I'll just show you the view, guys. You'll just love it. What is ND8? So ND8, you can basically use that ND filter for or during the clips where you usually shoot sunsets, like a half sunset or something, during late evenings. I mean sunset during late evenings, or during a cloudy day. You can use ND8 because there won't be much light to enter into your camera, so it prevents the less light that's entering through your camera. And ND16, you can use it for your daily regular vlogs, guys. It is a neutral kind of thing. It allows only the limited things, not excess or not more. You need to be careful on these curves, guys, because our sports bike are meant to be on track, so even a small amount of dirt can rip us to death. So be careful, guys. Yeah, here we go. I've seriously experienced many skids on these roads, like a sudden jerk on my tire or something. I don't know, is it the problem with my tire pressure? But yeah, but I still love this road, guys. I still love this. This specific road feels like entering into the forest, guys. A deep dense forest. Just for this route. I mean, yeah, I told you, right? A perfect sunset ride. Just witness the beauty, guys. Since I'm adding the ND filter, I guess it will be good, looking good. The beauty of nature, guys. The pure beauty of nature. Everywhere. Uncle is standing as if he's standing on a stage or something. I hope you enjoy this view as I do, guys. These curves and these trees, see, it looks like a cinematic frame. This moody feel is just amazing, guys. It feels like a dark moody feel, and that looks really cool. I mean, cool in the sense, it's very cool, guys. I can see a peaceful thing. This gives a peace of mind, you know. And yeah, this is my favorite spot, guys. I like cornering over here, and you can do a good cornering here. What the fuck? Bro just destroyed his car. Man. Wait. No. Yup. Guys, I'm loving it, guys. The climate and the sky in front of me. I'm really eager for the output that I'm gonna give. You'll just encounter the real road now, guys. So here we go, guys. This is the road I was speaking about. It just looks like a track, guys. It just looks like a track. God damn. Let's go, guys. The must say is that it's quick shifter, guys. Now just I'll show you. Wait. I know there will be a lot of wind crackling at this clip. Sorry for that, because I don't have a proper TRS connected to this. The sound is just amazing, guys. I just like the exhaust note of this RR310. It's a fucking 310cc beast, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. That's it. Can you just see that, guys? That's really awesome, no? It's really pleasant, guys. Empty roads and the patterned skies. It's just making me bliss. Okay, here we go, guys. This is how ND32 filter looks. This might be a little dark or something, dark in tone or something, or over contrasted. The end exposure is little high, guys. Oh no, I should change the lens right now. ND16 filter again. So this is just cinematic, guys. Just cinematic. I've been to this road for more than 10 times, but I just don't feel enough, guys. Because this road gives a pleasant feeling, guys. I don't know how to explain that feeling. Riders, you know it, right? Just see. It looks like a Hollywood ride or something. Just amazing, guys. I love this road. I love riding in this road. Guys, just awesome, guys. Just awesome. And yeah, guys, I can't stop falling in love for this road. Damn the skies. I hope the skies pattern will be clear for you now, because of the ND filter. So I'll basically be using only one ND filter, which is ND16. So yeah, guys, this is time for the photo session. Wow. Can you just see the beauty, guys? I'll go around. Can you just witness it? Just see the beauty, guys. Just beauty. So yeah guys, that's all for the today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you again in the next video guys. Stay tuned. Signing off, Rydraco.